Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through on how to install and set up your Sellsy Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentations. Under the tutorial, you're going to have access to the Smart Queue video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We currently have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you to set up the app. Under the setup, we notice our app has been connected. But if your app haven't yet been connected, no worries, we are going to walk you through on how to connect your app. First thing, we're going to copy your redirect URL and head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on your profile, click on settings, you're going to scroll down and click on developer portal. Click on API, click on create API access. You're going to select the access type. So we'll be taking private. And then here you're going to enter the access name. And here you're going to paste your redirect URL. You're going to scroll down and click on save. There we go. Your API has actually been created. So you're going to copy your client ID, head over back to your account, click on start setup, enter your client ID, head over back to your account online, copy your secret ID, head over back to your account and paste. When you're done, click complete setup. Then the authorization page is going to pop up asking you to give access for the app to access your account. So we are going to click on allow. Once you're done, your app will be set up. We actually have the support center. At the level of the support center, you can actually create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the updates or the changes of the app. And in order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to turn on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You are all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.